Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can stop your phone contacts from finding you on Snapchat. So let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. Once the app is open, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now, tap the settings icon in the top right corner to open your Snapchat settings. Scroll down until you find the Contact Me option and tap on it. This setting controls who can contact you directly on Snapchat. If this option is set to Friends and Contacts, people who are saved in your phone's contact list may be able to find and contact you through Snapchat. For better privacy, change this setting to Friends. This limits direct contact to people you've added as friends on Snapchat. But there's another important step we should take. Go back to the previous settings page and scroll up until you find Contacts. Tap on Contacts to see the contact information you've previously shared with Snapchat. If your contacts have already been synced, look for the option called Remove Synced Contacts from Snapchat. Tap on it, then select Confirm to remove the contacts that were previously synced to your Snapchat account. After confirming, Snapchat may redirect you to your phone's settings. From there, find Snapchat and open its permissions. Tap on Contacts, then change the permission to None or Don't Allow, depending on your device. This prevents Snapchat from accessing your phone's contact list in the future. By changing the contact settings, removing previously synced contacts, and blocking Snapchat from accessing your contacts, you can improve your privacy and make it harder for people in your phone's contact list to find you through Snapchat. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.